Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you, how to make a song with AI. And I'm here to show you how you can create your own tracks effortlessly. Let's dive in. First things first, have a script you want to use. And if you don't have a script, you can generate one with the help of ChatGPT. So, head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a song script for you based on what you want. In my case, let's say I want a blues song for a restaurant, IQMike. It is going to generate a script for you. So copy your script, head over to Suno.com. It's an amazing platform that uses advanced AI to help you create music. There is no need to be a professional musician, Suno has got your back. Once you're on the site, you'll see this super user-friendly dashboard. To start creating, click on Create on the left side. Paste in your script, and once the AI generates your song, you can preview it.
The good times flow, amazing food and vibe, you'll know. Join the fun, it's where you wanna be.
If you like what you hear, that's awesome. If not, you can make edits. When you're okay with it, hit the download button. You can use it for whatever you want, and there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a song with AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.